I want everyone to write this down. This is something I just recently learned about, and I want to share it with you right away. It's a website called Prosper.com. Prosper. Wow, what an idea. Prosper.com is kind of like a, these social networks and where you can meet people and you put in your profile and then someone else puts in their profile and they kind of match you up. Well, Prosper.com does that for people that are looking for money and people who have money that they want to lend. This is a great idea. What you would have to do, let's say that I'm interested in being a lender on Prosper.com. I would go there, and the first thing it asks you is, what do you want to do? Do you want to borrow money or do you want to lend money? So it puts you in a category. Whatever category you choose, they take information from you, about you, and then you have to submit like a proposal. Why do you need money? Are you going to invest in a business? Are you going to invest in a piece of real estate? Do you just need to borrow money to buy a car? Do you need to borrow money to make a down payment on your own home? There are many reasons that people need to borrow money. So you would state what your reasons are, and then you start saying, and they guide you. The whole flow is to guide you, to show you exactly what you do and what you need to put together for someone to want to loan you the money. You can put your picture in there. Put a little video clip in there. Do a lot of things that would show people that you're credit worthy, that they can trust you, and let them know who they're dealing with. It's amazing to me how many people make financial decisions based on paper and there's not a human being there. What Prosper.com does is try to show the human aspect of it. And so if you're looking for investment capital or you're looking to borrow money, this is a great source, and I recommend all of you go there and get set up one way or the other. As a lender, I intend to go there, and then you choose from the investments that you'd like to do. I'm going to look for people who want to go into business because I got a lot of experience doing that. And if I find someone on there that wants to go into the automotive repair business that I know about, I relate to that. So go to Prosper, whether you're going to be a borrower or a lender. This is a great source of investment capital for you to look at.